Enphase Energy, I have a question here from a member. Mount QK asks, what is causing Enphase price to drop? Exactly as I've said time and time again, and I'm going to repeat it. And here it is. And it's happening exactly as I said at the same time as it's happening with Plug Power. Let me share with you. These are two stocks in the energy sector that I said would do exactly this. Those that follow the show would know exactly what I'm about to talk about. So let's focus on Enphase Energy. That's the question that we've got from Mount QK. Why is Enphase dropping? If you want to know, tap the like button, because if you don't tap the like button, like magic, you won't hear the answer. People that only hear the answer if they click the like button. It's amazing how it works. On the last earnings and the previous earnings, I said until we reach the summer and into the autumn, on those earnings, those quarters, we would not see the good news for Plug Power and Enphase Energy. I've said it on the last three earnings, maybe four earnings, but I know at least the last three. People didn't listen, they got carried away and they bought it anyway, which was fine because it's a great company, has a great balance sheet, a great future. I've got no problem with that. And I have said it's one of the best balance sheets on the market. And I've said it's a double, a triple from here, 3x, and it is. I stand by all of that. Nothing has changed. However, people don't listen, they get carried away and they overbuy, and that's fine because up goes the price, whatever, and people take profit. But I've said it's all too early for this stock and Plug. I said, and I told you the reasons why when we covered the earnings. That's why we cover the earnings. Sorry, I'm sharing you the wrong screen. I wanted to share with you Plug Power. Under $3, it's good value. All right, that's what I've said. Enphase Energy around the $100 is a great value for Enphase. 2x, 3x in time, yes, but not until the next quarter. And the reason for that is, we're now talking about Enphase. On the last couple of earnings, we learned there were all kinds of issues. Interest rates have been a major issue. We know all about that. But we know the rates are coming down this summer. I have said now for 18 months, the summer of 2024, rates would come down. I don't even think we're going to wait until we get an FOMC report. I think they're just going to announce it. Today in the UK, we reached nearly 2% inflation and the Bank of England held rates again. What they're doing now is they are making sure and they're keeping pressure on to the very last moment. Remember, they can drop rates very, very quickly and row back. I think that's what's about to happen. I think Wall Street knows it. I think everyone else knows it, even though they try to deny it. I think rates are coming down. And this is the storm before the sunshine. This is the last chance. People are taking profits, driving it down to get it as low as possible, to buy it back, to do it all over again. That's what traders do. That's not what I do. I'm an investor, and I believe that this is a great company with a great opportunity. And I really do believe that we're going to see the rates cut this summer, and not only that, we're going to see a good return, and earnings for Enphase and Plug. Both of these companies, we're going to see a massive improvement. We were all jumping the gun last time. We saw, I think it was a Georgia plant come online for Plug. We saw the new innovation technology coming out for Enphase, and everyone was getting ahead of the game. Now they're selling off. People thought today rates might come down in the Bank of England in the UK because of inflation dropping like a rock, but they don't want to do it because we got an election in the UK just like we have in the US. They're going to wait for the last moment, but I do think it'll happen in the US. I think it will come before the election because November would just be so late, and we'd be doing excess damage that we don't need to do on the economy. So I really do believe that a rate cut is imminent. I've been saying now for a couple of weeks, rate cuts are imminent. I stand by that, and nothing has changed, and we're just waiting for it right now, and I know it's coming. So Enphase Energy just got overbought. People got too excited. They're in a rush. No one's prepared to wait, and I'm very confident that we're going to see a much better return on the next earnings. Anyway, see if I'm right. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not, but I'm pretty confident in it. Anyway, that's my thoughts. Remember, I don't own Enphase or any share. I only own the S&P 500, so you know that I'm not pumping and dumping. I'm not trying to do that or inflate my own numbers or get people to subscribe to me, even though I ask you to subscribe. I'm not trying to get you to subscribe to me by me making wild claims and getting everyone to follow me. I'm just telling you what I think is fact, looking at the numbers and reading between the lines of everybody else. Anyway, click above my head for all the information down below in the description. Over here and over here, I'll put more more information on Enphase Energy videos I think you'd enjoy, including the playlist. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.